Why are you still weak? Why do you feel stuck in the same place, while others sprint ahead? Why does your potential feel like a locked door, just out of reach? Is it because you're afraid? Afraid to face the storm inside you? Afraid to ignite the fire burning quietly in your veins? You're not weak because you lack strength. You're weak because you've been hiding. Hiding from the truth that growth demands pain. Hiding from the storm that's trying to forge you into something greater. Look around. The world is brutal. It doesn't wait. It doesn't care. It rewards the relentless, the fearless, the warriors. So ask yourself, what are you waiting for? Weakness is not just physical. It's mental, emotional, spiritual. It's the voice in your head that says, I can't. It's the excuse that sounds like tomorrow. It's the comfort zone that feels safe but suffocates your soul. Fear is the silent killer of dreams. It creeps in like a shadow, whispering lies. Asterisk. You're not good enough. Asterisk. Asterisk. You'll never make it. Asterisk. Asterisk. Give up now. It's easier. Asterisk. But here's the truth no one tells you. Fear is a liar. It's the enemy disguised as a friend. It's the chain that keeps you locked in mediocrity. Every second you listen to fear, you grow weaker. Every excuse you make, you dig a deeper hole. But weakness is not your destiny. It's a challenge. A test. A call to arms. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is the blacksmith that forges steel from raw ore. Pain is the storm that rips you apart so you can be rebuilt stronger. Look at every champion, every legend, every titan who changed the world. They were broken. They were beaten. They were pushed to the edge. But they didn't stop. They didn't quit. They embraced the pain. Pain is temporary. Glory is eternal. When your muscles scream, when your mind begs for rest, when your heart pounds like thunder, that's when you're growing. That's when you're becoming unbreakable. Every great story is a story of struggle. Every triumph begins with a fall. You will fail. You will stumble. You will face moments when the darkness feels endless. But the difference between the weak and the strong is simple. The strong get back up. They fight through the night. They grind when no one is watching. Because they know the storm makes warriors. The fire in their veins is not for show, it's a call to action. You are not defined by your failures. You are defined by how you respond to them. Rise each time you fall. Fight harder with every setback. Let your scars be the map of your journey, not the chains that hold you back. So how do you fix it? You ignite the fire inside. You refuse to be a prisoner of fear. You stare down the storm and say, I am not afraid. You train harder than yesterday. You push longer than anyone else. You grind when the world sleeps. Replace doubt with action. Replace weakness with willpower. Replace fear with unshakable belief. This is not a game for the faint-hearted. This is a war for your soul. Every drop of sweat, every aching muscle, every sleepless night is a brick in the fortress of your strength. Weakness often lives in the mind. The battlefield is not just your body, it's your thoughts. You must learn to control your mind, to silence the negative voices, to drown out the noise of doubt. Visualize your success. See yourself standing tall, victorious. Feel the power coursing through your veins. Train your mind like you train your body. Feed it with positive thoughts. Fuel it with relentless determination. When your mind believes, your body will follow. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. It's waking up before dawn when your bed feels like a prison. It's saying no to distractions that steal your time and energy. It's doing the hard things when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the silent force that separates the winners from the losers. You don't need motivation every day. You need discipline every day. Build habits that push you forward. Create routines that make success inevitable. You don't become a champion overnight. You become one day by day. Consistency is the secret weapon. Show up every day. Do the work every day. Fight the urge to quit every day. Small steps lead to giant leaps. Repetition builds mastery. Patience creates legends. True strength is not the absence of fear. It's the courage to face it head on. You must confront your inner demons. The doubts, the insecurities, the past failures. Be vulnerable with yourself. Admit your weaknesses. Then crush them with relentless effort. Courage is forged in the fire of vulnerability. It's the spark that lights your path through the darkest nights. Without a clear vision, you're a ship lost at sea. Define your why. What drives you? What wakes you up with fire in your veins? Your why is your anchor in the storm. It's the fuel that keeps your engine roaring. Write it down. Speak it aloud. Live it every second. When your why is strong, weakness has no place. Greatness demands sacrifice. You will lose comfort. You will lose free time. You will lose moments of ease. But what you gain is priceless: strength, power, respect, and the life you deserve. Sacrifice is the currency of champions. Are you willing to pay the price? You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with warriors. Surround yourself with dreamers who do. Surround yourself with those who push you higher. Cut out the negativity. Cut out the distractions. Build a tribe that fuels your fire. Your mind is your battlefield. Choose to be a warrior, not a victim. Choose to be relentless, not resigned. Choose to rise, not retreat. Every day is a battle. Every moment is a choice. Will you give in to weakness? Or will you fight for your greatness? Your time is now. Right here. Right this second. Will you crumble under pressure? Or will you rise like a phoenix from the ashes? Prove them wrong. Prove yourself wrong. The world doesn't owe you a thing. You owe yourself everything. Get up. Fight hard. Make your mark. Rise up. No limits. Rise up. This is your fight. This is your life.